Big man pulling up right here.
Hey, Dad.
What happened, bro?
I haven't cleaned her.
No, there's a dent.
It's not a dent.
Yeah, it is.
There's not a dent. That's just really,
Ew,
really dirty.
that's poop. Literally have poop on it.
Fuck you.
You don't need to get that close to me. It has to be. Alright, well, I'm going to attempt and record to do this, but he just said that I had to straighten my car out. So here it is, straightening my car out. And done. Off. Okay. Alright, so we are at Tilted Kilt, and the restaurant's right over there, but right now we're looking at this fully gutted
Race car night, boys.
M3. Oh yeah, it is race car night. Race car night here. Forgot to mention that. So we'll be seeing some interesting things, but this fully gutted M3.
Oh, okay. I understand.
This thing's sick.
He feels like that.
Huge.
They started going at it.
This thing must weigh like out 2,000 pounds. The car and then
That's sexy though. It is very much sexy.
it's very low.
Unlike Nick.
No,
At
like
least put a passenger seat. They literally had to.
Oh yeah.
They were doing
I
I would
couldn't
too.
stand up.
No. Sound system.
Just want to take a second and admire the sunset. Okay, time's up.
In your check.
To check.
It's your neck. What's in between your neck and your chest, right here, like check.
Anyway,
You know, like
okay, I
this
can't
little
even
thing right
talk.
here.
You just, like, made me... All right, so up
I'll let
front
you do this time.
we got the Lambo. That's his
Penis.
name. We got the. All right, I can't vlog when this guy's here.
It's manual too.
This thing's so nice. Really like the color.
You can see the rent.
Got a whole body kit on it and everything.
You'll be able to see the rent.
And Alexis, that I'm pretty sure is not with us, and a Hurricane. Then we got Von Wraps out here and Spot Big. It's pretty early still. Got this nice 350
It's like
Cube and the 335. We got Eric's car. It's a nice Subi. Alright, so we're done checking out over there. Be back later because
so sexy.
Look at this Volkswagen. Is that a wrap? It looks like it's plastied it, but that is a wrap.
It's beautiful. Look at this amazing wrap job.
Something you eat McDonald's in. Damn, this 230. This is 235? Yeah, it's 235.
Self-made motorsports, yeah.
That's clean. He's on air.
What are you back in?
My next car, I will. Yeah. Alright, then we got an S8 over here. Subi STI. And we got the Subaru row like always. Seems to be all STIs. This car was here last time and in the same spot. GTI rolling in. I really like that color on Subi. Oh, then we got the Fords. And then we got the Mazdas, Speed 3s over there.
Yes.
Would you like to narrate for me? We got all the Ford STs over here. Is it okay that I'm narrating this? He doesn't like that I'm going around and showing you guys all the cars.
Oh no, I don't mind it. It's just funny messing with you by yelling penis in the background.
Yeah, I had to leave the show area over there because these comedians over here.
Comedians. I'm the next Kevin Hart. Shut up.
Yeah, okay. More like the
Disco
next
truck.
Kevin Fart. Dude, this is what he pulls up to the dance floor like this.
Do you want to play skee ball?
Let me add some music to this.
It's a revolution.
It's the hash-slinging slasher. Oh, here he is, guys. Check him out. He's got this beautiful Beamer. I think it's 328, yeah. It is, well. Yeah, 328. Very nice, very nice. I would say it's lit, suck me, and there's Trump on a scooter. That's great. There's Trump on a scooter in here.
There's a what?
Trump on a scooter.
Oh, shit.
Oh, beautiful. Why'd you notice this?
Look at this giant
It's compensating for something.
We got this GTI sitting on the floor over here. Next to this SRT. And then me and Alex's cars are down there. See, he has to make everybody straighten out. But you know what? Oh well. It's not too bad. Oh, looks like we got another Beamer in here. Yo, where is he? I haven't seen him.
I don't know. He's here, obviously.
Well, I forgot his name, but he's here.
Sam.
Sam. Now we got the Beamer squad. The Beamer squad right here. And then, Sam. Alright, so I'm back over here. So what other stuff we got here is, Project Apex drift car. Checking this baby out. And then we got another Hemi, some bags, airlift performance, and just a Corvette, you know, the Z06. Chilling right here. Wow, this lighting's actually really good, surprisingly. LCD pulling up. Rooms. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna check out the side. I'm surprised there's no motorcycles here. This is usually the whole motorcycle row right here. This is all custom. Looks pretty nice. This is a convertible and it's a Mustang, so you know, I'm just kidding, guys. I don't know why I always make Mustang jokes. I have nothing against them, I always tell you. Then this is Nick's Audi. Checking it out. Not sure. Then there's Tilted Kilt. Then we got Underground Stance over here. Galaxy wrap. Look pretty nice. This car was in my edit a while ago for Underground Stance. It's on my Instagram, you guys should go check it out. And then this Beamer's pulling up, showing off up front, I guess. Alright, so this wide body M3 just pulled up. We all just came over here to see it. He's already breaking my neck. That is clean. Damn, that spoiler. Oh, I thought he was gonna rev it. If you ever want to see Eric do a rap, he's actually doing one right now. Eric, I'm putting you on the spot.
I said it.
Are those anal beads for a fucking...
Hell yeah. Bro, they come in handy.
That's what happens when you do a photo shoot with girls.
Alright, so we're going to check out Andrew's Genesis because apparently he lowered it and it's a big thing, so everybody went over there.
Do you have any pictures of it lowered? Do you want to do like an actual photo shoot, like a hold around somewhere?
Oh yeah, I need more light. It looks good.
Like I really want.
Alright guys, so let me flip the camera around real fast. So I think meet is done. Well, I'm done at the meet, but looks like the BMWs took over in the end, and the Mini Cooper, still BMW, but anyway, I'm heading out. I guess Alex left, so putting the camera away. I'm gonna go edit this for you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed. I can't remember what meet's coming up this weekend, but thank you guys for watching. I'll let you know on my Instagram. Oh, it's Underground Stance with Strictly Loud. That's what it is. YouTube, and don't forget to follow me on the Instagram. Also, like, comment, subscribe, like always. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.